This is not a magic trick. This is just a puzzle, something I found really interesting. So I'm going to remove the covering, enclosure, call it whatever you like. I'm going to replicate it on the desk, so in case you think I'm cheating. Okay, here we go. Just to measure up, you know what? Measure up here. There we go, much better. So you know there is no change in length for some bizarre reason. Okay, now this is all good. What if we just change it a bit? Oh. Here we go. Made sense? I hope it does. I've been baffling for a long time to figure this out, and obviously I'm not telling you, but these are not magical props or anything, in case you're thinking this is some sort of trick. There is no camera trick here, nothing. It's just, it is what it is. So I'm gonna put it back. Yeah, hope this made sense. Enjoy.